Business Simulation is an innovative course introduced for the first time for the batch of 2021 at IIM Lucknow. Created, curated, and run by Professor Mrityunjay Tiwari, this elective course aims to bring about a unique experience where students can actually get an exposure to and internalize various management theories while they play specific board games that simulate an environment close to how real life business scenarios function.
One of the feedback that we keep getting from different stakeholders, be it the current students, be it the past students, and be it the employers, is that there is a huge dearth of practical oriented courses at an MBA curriculum. This triggered the thought that can I come up with a course wherein the students can implement some of these concepts that they may have studied across the different management discipline. That is what is the crux of the course Business Simulation, which has primary focus over two aspects. First is that it is in this course that the students can actually implement the different concepts that they may have studied across different courses. That is, they can actually take the decisions, and most importantly, they can see the repercussion that these decisions make. So for example, you may have studied different trade-offs theoretically across different courses. But it is one thing to know the trade-off, and completely another thing is to internalize the repercussion of these trade-offs. It is in this course that the students can actually take the decisions and see that what are the payoffs, what is the cost of making an error, or what is the benefit of taking a decision which you did better than your competitors. That is the essence of Business Simulation. So the structure of a Business Simulation course is pretty simple. All we do is divide the entire class into different groups. These groups are essentially different teams which will be different, representing different companies and competing against each other over 5 or 6 different board games. Now each of these board games are used to simulate some of the concepts or some of the business environments which demand implementation of some of the concepts that they may have studied across their management curriculum. For example, there are plenty of experiments where they will use concepts from finance, from strategy, from economics, from marketing, negotiation, communication, team building, and so much more. For example, they would be using the concepts that they may have studied, that there is a trade-off between debt and equity. They may have studied how to prioritize strategic decision versus tactical decision. They may have studied that there is a competitor who is using dumping as a strategy to compete. How do you compete against such a fierce competition? Similarly, do you understand or realize the importance of sunk cost, or are you still emotionally attached to the sunk cost? So these kind of concepts get implemented in their attempt to win the game, and thereby at the end of the business simulation game, a lot of realization happens on their own, and anyway we sit together and discuss all the learnings of that particular game and whatever concepts were needed to make or break different organizations. Point number 1 is that in initial few days of the business, there are certain very crucial decisions. For example, when you were studying financial management, you would have studied it before somebody had introduced capital busting to you. That why these decisions are very crucial, because it's extremely expensive to reverse them. ये पढ़ा था कभी कैपिटल बस्टिंग, जब पढ़ाया था फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, भूल गए, सब खा गए. टर्म 3.
I just like to tell you that we'll be playing 5 games as part of this course, and we've already played 3. All of them are strategy games. It's essentially a lot of strategy, and you're working in groups in a time-bound manner. So it's a lot like businesses. And it's usually a very intense class. It's a very engaging class because you have to participate. You have to make your moves at every frequent intervals. In terms of what we learn in the course, I think one of the things that Sir said upfront was that either this course will prove that everything that you've learned in the last 5 trimesters has been worth it, or it'll disprove that any of that makes sense.
Simulation is one of the most interesting courses that I have attended here at IIM Lucknow. In fact, it was the most unique course that I had taken this year. 5 days, 5 games. For a person looking from the outside, it might look like we are playing board games. But that is not the case. The mistakes made on that board made us realize the potential mistakes in business that we can commit in the future. I am 100% sure that I'll take this one-of-a-kind experience with me and always cherish it.
It was a new course, and hence there was a lot of curiosity on how the course will be. And after attending like 3 sessions, like 6 classes, I can say that it was really a fantastic experience. And it's definitely an offbeat course, which is maybe unique to IIM Lucknow, where you're learning from different strategy and board games.
The best part is in this course you get to experiment. For instance, in our first game, Monopoly, it was not a straightforward Monopoly. Professor has beautifully designed. He introduced a lot of variations, so which is like almost you feel like you are growing your startup while playing that game. So you get a chance to take credit, you get to take a debt. So you need to decide what to do and what not to do.
I really like business simulation course. One, because it helps me be on my feet all time, as in I get to think and apply the situations in real life scenarios. And second, I would say that the class is very, very engaging with other courses, because you get to participate at every moment, and like, things can change anytime, so you have to think and make decisions on the moment. So I think that's the part that I really like about the course.
So to be very honest, this is a very exciting course. In terms of playing games as well, you get to feel a practical approach towards all the business concepts that we've learned. So say you talk about financing decisions, whether to take debt or equity. You talk about strategy, whether how to strike a balance between strategic versus tactical decisions, all about marginal revenue, marginal cost. All of these practical aspects you're going to learn through the medium of playing games across players.
To start off with, I would like to mention that the timing of this course was quite perfect, because this is being offered in term 6. So whatever we've learned during this course of our MBA, now it can now be implemented. So be it our strategy concepts, finance concepts, operation concepts, all these come into play. Even more important is the team dynamics, because we have to play in a team. So it's a mix of all the learnings which we've gone through, and basically it helps us linking the what we are learning here and how it will help us in the real life when we step into the corporate life.